A powerful 7.7 magnitude earthquake has struck central Myanmar, causing damage and panic across the region. According to the U.S. Geological Survey (USGS), the earthquake hit 16 kilometers northwest of Sagaing at a depth of 10 kilometers. The tremors were so strong that they were felt in Thailand and even southwest China. Videos shared online show buildings shaking in Bangkok, with reports of structural damage. In Myanmar's capital, Naypyidaw, roads have cracked and some areas have experienced power outages. The full extent of the destruction is still assessed, but residents describe the quake as one of the strongest in years.
In panic and confused.
All of a sudden, I felt a
People in affected areas rushed out of buildings for safety, fearing possible aftershocks. Authorities are monitoring the situation closely, and emergency teams are on standby. Myanmar lies in a seismically active zone, and earthquakes are not uncommon. However, a 7.7 magnitude quake is considered very strong and can cause serious damage. Experts warn that aftershocks are likely, and people should remain alert. So far, no official reports of casualties have been confirmed, but rescue efforts are underway. International organizations and neighboring countries may step in to offer assistance if needed. Authorities have urged residents to stay away from damaged buildings and be prepared for potential aftershocks. Local hospitals are on high alert, and emergency response teams are prioritizing areas with significant structural damage. Meanwhile, flights at some regional airports have been temporarily delayed as runways and infrastructure are inspected for damage. Experts say the next 24 hours will be crucial in determining the full impact of the quake. Reporting for MMU TV, I'm Velma Shakamai.